Okay, today I'm going to show you how to open your 2.0 manually. On the bottom here, you have two Allen wrench screws. You're going to be taking out the bigger one, go to the top here. So use the Allen wrench provided. You're going to loosen that first one, and that's going to come out fairly small. And then the other one's going to be back in there just a little ways, and you're going to be taking this pin opposite of what you just did. So now that I have that, there's a little bit of Loctite on it, so it's going to be a little bit difficult initially to break free. And then once you have it, you should be able to get it to move. And see, there we go. So it's going to raise the top of your box up until the pin is loose and pops open. And now you have access to your 2.0.